Hello everyone and welcome to the Canadian Redneck channel. My name's Dave and today we have a 414 International gas here that we're going to do an engine swap in. Pretty straightforward job, but thought you might be interested in seeing how a redneck goes about it. We'll get things set up and get the camera set up and we'll get going. To start things off, we start by draining oil and stuff like that, and we'll be getting the hood off and whatnot. And anyway, you can watch along as we go to work. We've got our motor here ready to put in. We're going to get the flywheel cleaned up, get the clutch on, then we can stick it back in the tractor. Well, we've got our 414 back together again, ready to clear out of the yard, out of the road, make room for the next project. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's kind of less of a how-to and more of some of the fun stuff we get to do here. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and as always, like, subscribe, share, leave your comments in the comment section below. Have a great day.